This is Gerald Johan van Waas and the educational channel, related with the book Sound in Form, and also in 2 volumes with a slightly extended version of the book Sound in Form, but in 2 volumes this time, the development of word and the application of the word. Both books are about the meaning of sounds and how you can combine them and how it works, that these meanings can be revealed, and so that also some natural order is in there, so that they fit also to the real meaning of words, how they intended what they are intended to mean. The book is available at Trafford, and it is also available at some distribution channels, Amazon, Bulb.com, you name it. The first book is more about the theory and some examples, and the application of the word are more other studies related with astrology, with languages and scripts, and including some study on how you can approach this to ancient Egyptian script, to some of the very old scripts, and to Japanese and Chinese even, how you can use it in this. You can use this theory to understand these scripts better, and some association with the spectrograms to prove again how you can use this method further. So you have here some example that I would like to explain. Just one example again. It's the word moment. Moment, or in Dutch moment. There's a slight difference between both emphases, but the word means the same. So the O, again, you know, this is about the surroundings. The M is, it can be material and a lot of material that is assembled. The Mo then can be, of course, it's this environment with some extra material extensions that can even be added there. So it's one of the examples how you can approach this and how you can show this. And men can, of course, the N is always a part of a larger whole, so this is one of the ways to see it. First, if I intuitively already expressed the word moment, I immediately came to this doubling O region. In fact, it is because all the material of two kinds of material are of course combined into one environment, in this, a combined environment, and there is something that you can notice that is part of both regions. So that's why I came to that one previously. But I'll explain how you can come to it just by logic, by using the elements. If you read the book already, you know how you could do this. So the Mo, of course, can also be, or the Mo can also be like, you have these surroundings and some materials that are there which stretch to certain elements. With the Mom, the double one, of course, there will be, 2 kinds of materials that are intermixed a bit, and we will try to find a common focus there. And this common focus actually comes back to my intuitive drawing, because the E will try to stretch the interactions, and the T will find a moment of measurement that you can find in between. So what will be the moment? The moment that you stretch out has to be stretched a bit outwardly, preferably. So you come to the last drawing. So the moment is something that comes out as a kind of highlighting thing, and that is also actually more or less the focus of moment. The moment that you stretch out, especially as moment, You focus on the E parts, on what is coming out of the moment, what is noticeable from the energies that are combined and that comes out of the moment that I can measure, that makes a difference. So moment focus, actually more what you find on the moment, on a moment, a highlight. That's more or less the meaning of the direction what you can find in the word. And with the focus on O as moment, you will focus on that you have a new area of focus with its own, like the crossroads. The crossroads themselves are even more important than the highlights themselves. The crossroads of time in that particular association that we use it, or in moment, is you will notice that the word moment or moment can be used differently in Dutch or in English. It's the same word, but with the moment, you can also use it in this kind of emphasis. In English you say like, just a moment please. Moment will highlight what we can take out of the moment more than the moment itself. So there's a slight difference, and it is the kind of focus that is used in language, and I hope you understand it a little bit better from the sounds point of view by seeing this example. Anyhow, it's a very small example. I hope you have you're warmed up to try it yourself, to combine certain letters, to try to understand it, what is underlying the words and meanings. You can get to know it by reading the book or just check the videos out. There's a website as well, and you can subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.